In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize and manage your tasks using Google Calendar. Whether you're someone who likes to keep everything neatly scheduled, or if you need a little help keeping track of your to-dos, Google Calendar can be a powerful tool in your productivity arsenal. Let's walk through the steps, starting with accessing Google Calendar. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google Calendar. If it's your first time using it, you'll need to ensure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're on the main calendar page, it's time to create a task. The task feature is extremely useful for keeping track of things you need to get done, so go ahead and click on task from the menu. Now think about what task you'd like to add. Maybe it's a forgotten errand, an upcoming deadline, or perhaps just a reminder to call a friend. Type it out in the area provided. This is the simplest way to keep your tasks front and center in your day-to-day life. Next, let's focus on when this task should be completed. Click on today's date to select the date for your task. If the task needs to be done tomorrow, as often is the case with planning ahead, simply change the date to tomorrow. This is a great way to stay ahead of your schedule without feeling overwhelmed. Once you've set the date, it's important to add a little context to your task. Type a description that provides more details about what needs to be done. For instance, rather than just noting down buy groceries, detail it with pick up milk, bread, and fruits. Adding specifics can help you execute the task efficiently when the time comes. After adding in all the details, don't forget to click Save to ensure your task is successfully added to your calendar. Having saved it, you can always find your task on the calendar. Just click and it'll display all the information you typed in. When tomorrow arrives and you've completed the task, be sure to mark it as completed. Navigate to your task and simply click on Mark Completed. This not only gives you a sense of accomplishment but helps prioritize new tasks. Finally, to wrap up, click Got It to acknowledge the completion of these steps and clear any notifications. By consistently organizing your tasks using these steps, you'll find yourself on a productive path without any hassle. So that's all it takes. With these straightforward steps, Google Calendar can help you not only plan for today, but set you up for success in the future. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.